What's the deal, Beast Gang? We back here with another video, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? Today's video, as y'all can see by the title and everything, we finna go check out, well, it's two things you can see in the title. One, we about to go check out my man's Camaro SS that he got and everything. Go, you know, give it a test drive, because everybody already know. Not 20, but after this winter here that we about to have here in Michigan, I'm going to, and this is like a most definite, like it's definitely, you know, it's not something that I'm just, oh, we gonna do this. No, I'm going to get a Z01. You know what I'm saying? I didn't fell in love with the car. I haven't look. Just think about it. I haven't drove a Z01, but I drove the Camaro SS before. Yeah, but I don't know, the freaking camera angle, whatever, it just messed up. But yeah, I have not drove a Z01, but I have drove a Camaro SS with the 10-speed transmission and everything. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, yo, I am hooked. I am hooked with the car, and it's just that I need that car now. You feel me? But I don't need the Camaro SS. I'm trying to put it, see my words, so I'm messed up right now. I don't want the Camaro SS. I want the Z01. The Z01 is, look, it's something crazy. You feel me? So when the summer go by, we get into that. You feel me? But we gonna check out my man's Camaro SS. You know what I'm saying? Cause I love the car. You feel me? So we gonna check it out, see what to talk about. I already got the Hemi. The 300 is stand, so we're not worried about, you know, any of that. Cause we gonna have one of two. Look at that. It's a GTO up here. You feel me? That look nice, I ain't gonna lie. You know, we just raced one of those the other day. This might be a 6.0 though. I don't know. It sounds like it is. That's probably a 6.0. Alright, so I just got knocked off track of everything I was saying, everything. But look, right now, oh wait, also, I got the Nitrous Kit came in, as y'all can see by the name of the title and everything. But the bottle is not with me right now. The bottle is at the house and everything. So we gonna get to the house. I'm gonna show. Alright, yeah, I just bit the side of my jaw. That jaw hurt. Like, man, my freaking lip, they're just bleeding. I taste the blood. God dang. But look, it's at the house, man. We'll get there in a second. I think dog following us. He got the freaking what's called behind us. But look, we about to get over here to my man's Ty, check out this Camaro and everything. Then we'll get back to the house and I'm show y'all the hookup for the nitrous and everything. Cause we going crazy with it. I ain't gonna lie to you. But let's go ahead and get over it. You feel me? Y'all see, I just got like a good little quick preview, you know what I'm saying? He was just driving, making it pop and everything like that. We about to go ahead and hit this. Woo! You know what I'm saying? Hold up, just hear it real quick. Hey, I scared myself, wait a minute. Well, let's go ahead and pull out here first before I mess around and get myself in some trouble already at the gas station. Take 1 second. Thank my man for letting me, you know, do the review on the car and everything real quick. Y'all check out his Instagram. I got it right down there at the bottom and everything. Let's get out here. Hold on, let me get out here real quick. Oh my God, y'all, man, look, come on now, y'all hear that? And you can see perfect, my man. But I just want to get one little quick downshift. Oh wait, now I forgot. Yeah, we all the way in 10 gears now, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Oh my God, wait a second, bro. Now, I don't know if y'all can see because it might be a little dark right now, but look. Bro, this car right here, man. And then the steering wheel feels firm as, oh, what's all this? All right, so we got a good on-ramp coming right here. Give us enough space to hit it. Let's see, check over here, make sure no cars coming. Bro, they hug the road so good, dog. Like this is crazy. In my car, we bouncing. I gotta get off the gas. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold on, I forgot my bad.
Yeah. Here, I got you too. We gotta throw him in track.
I'm trying to get us some space.
Just hop in the fast lane. More. One more. Go. Shift it. Hey yo! Ain't just so crazy, nasty, bro. Ain't it?
Oh my God! What? Let me. Oh, this should be enough space right here.
Yeah, like just put it on the floor and let off. Now go. Oh!
Oh my God! Oh! Yo!
Nasty, ain't it?
How these curves is right here.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, let me throw the track for you. We ain't even in track. Fill it with the track steering wheel.
Hey, yo, what?
Look at us. Going 60
Bro,
around
going
the side
60
of
around
the
the corner. What?
Tugging it.
Yeah, there we go.
Going 60 around that.
Around the turn, bro. What?
And then just downshift it and go. Just remember, you gotta shift it now.
The camera about to die actually. It's like blinking red. I don't know what my battery be tripping sometimes. But we'll get over there. So I just catch y'all when we get back to the house. Alright, y'all can see, bro. Look at this. Bright red, look good. I ain't gonna even lie. But look, y'all already know what's coming. Look, I'm getting one of these for sure. I just had a ball with this. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I know I say we'll catch back in the house, but the camera is not blinking no more for some reason. I don't know what my battery keep doing. But bro, look, like, check this out. You feel me? I can see myself, you know what I'm saying? I can see myself in one of these. It's comfortable for real. I don't care what nobody say. People probably like some, oh, they uncomfortable, this and that. When I drove like the older ones, like, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, it was a little funny, but this right here, this is good. You know what I'm saying? This is perfect space, real smooth. It get the business, you feel me? I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? Let us test this out, see what it's talking about and everything, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can check them out on Instagram and everything. You think about making a channel or something, or is
It might be coming.
Well, look, y'all already know. Once everything get into play and everything, we putting it all in the description and everything like that. You feel me? But make sure y'all go check them out on Instagram and everything. Real cold car. We about to go ahead and get to the rest of the video, so let's go ahead and go.
Not really. Were you ready already? Nah, but I had it popping literally the whole way.
Hey, that's crazy. What?
You got that on YouTube?
Oh, no, I ain't get recorded, bro. Dang. Back at the crib, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and show y'all, you know what I'm saying? First, I had to let y'all hear that one more again, you know what I'm saying? Except for a couple minutes, so you know, yeah. All right, so now we back at the crib and everything. We got, you know what I'm saying? We got the mod sitting right here. We got the great mod that's gonna add so much power, so much everything, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see by the title, I don't even know what I'm doing all this extra, or the whole ooh wop, all that stuff right here. Bro, look at this. We got the nitrous kit on deck, you know what I'm saying? It's here, it's been here for a little while, but as y'all can see, it's kind of like torn and stuff because it was back here in the trunk, and I didn't think too much about it. I don't think that was a smart move, you know what I'm saying? And it kind of rolled around a little bit, so it kind of scraped up, you know, a lot of, but we ain't worried about the look. It's about what goes on the inside, and once all this is hooked up, you know what I'm saying, we got everything. We got one more box. It's in the house right now, I actually forgot. But yes, as y'all can see, I am going nitro with the big 300, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know, hey, just something light, you know what I'm saying? But we're not gonna go with a crazy shot because I don't want to actually damage the engine and stuff like that. So we're not gonna go with a crazy shot. We'll go with something, you know, real cool, real chill, you know what I'm saying? Because this car right here, I don't want to destroy it, you know what I'm saying? It's just common sense. Let's go ahead and open this hood real quick so we see something. And I know a lot of people are still wondering when is it go, you know, whenever we go get the rest of the bumper and stuff, you know, painted, all this fixed. The time is coming soon. We're still waiting. It's actually becoming a longer process than I was expecting it to be. And at this point, I'm almost just thinking like, you know what, let's skip getting it painted. Just go ahead and get it wrapped right over. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm really just starting to get at, because it's gonna be like 400 to get it. It's gonna be 400 for the paint, but then it's gonna be 700 to get it wrapped. So I'm thinking, you know, might as well go ahead with the extra couple hundred and get it wrapped and just call it at that. You know what I'm saying? So that might be the plan and what we end up gonna do, because all the extra, I'm not trying to go through and do all. Yeah. We go just do it, you know how it is. But see, look right here. Nitrous is coming, you know what I'm saying? We'll get this done. First, we gotta find a shop and everything that's gonna be able to do the nitrous kit and everything like that. I don't too much know fully like all the places and stuff that actually do like this type of work, but we gonna try to figure out some shop or something like that can do it, or you know, professional whatever. But it don't matter, it's gonna be an actual shop. Ooh, whoa, I want it warranty, you know what I'm saying? I want whatever work I get done to this car, it has to be warranty, you know what I'm saying? It had to be warranty work. If you do the work, you mess it up, you fix it. Simple as that, you know what I'm saying? But the big 6-1 is gonna be getting nitrous. I told y'all we'll have some mods coming. I know it took me a good little minute, but I also do have something else too that I need to go actually check in the room real quick. Hold on a second. All right, we got another part of the mod that has to go, or another mod that has to go in the car. I'm gonna do this myself and everything because it's just easy to do. Nitrous, don't know nothing about that. Not gonna try it, you know what I'm saying? So this right here, if y'all don't know what this is a 180 thermostat or something like that. It's some things that people told me that I have to have on a car before I go ahead and, you know, do a whole bunch of other stuff. So this was one of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I get this done on the car and everything, so that but I'm gonna do this myself because this is real simple. You unscrew here each side, boom, pop it out, don't put it there. You'll lose a little bit of coolant, so I gotta make sure I get some coolant to, you know, replace the coolant that I lose. And I'm gonna also need a tune that turns the fan on a little bit early so that we can keep, you know what I'm saying, 180, 181, somewhere around there, you feel me? So we got a lot of stuff coming for this car, so I don't think that I just been chilling, just not doing, you know what I'm saying? It's just a lot of stuff has to get fixed first before I go ahead and try to do this, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to go all out and put nitrous on there, you know what I'm saying? So nitrous, we did have the drag radials, got rid of the drag radials, we're done with that. We'll go with some different tires that'll be able to hold the power, because I told y'all we're not doing the crazy shot, so it's gonna be enough for us to be, you know, not to damage ourselves on the tires that I'm getting, because we're not going with radials. Probably go with some Nittos or something like that, something to go on here, just go, you know, not, you know, we ain't gonna get too squirmy, you feel me? Probably get some 305s on here, because I did like the way the 305 set on this car. It looked real good. Only thing I'm had to note in is no more sliding, no more having fun. So I'm trying to get as much sliding and all the fun stuff like that out the way first, you know what I'm saying, before I go ahead and do anything else. So that's really the gist of everything that's gonna be happening with the car coming up in the next following couple weeks or something like that. The 6-1 is getting its nitrous kit, you know what I'm saying? So this is a big day for me, you feel me? Big time coming, you feel me? So we ready for this, you know what I'm saying? It's been a long time coming. So without no further ado, or something like that, or whatever fancy smashy word that people use and stuff like that, the video has reached the end. As y'all see, we went and drove the Camaro and everything like that. I'm trying to get, you know, good test drive in for those, because I might get, I'm thinking either Camaro SS or Z01. We got to check the prices for them and everything like that, but that's gonna be after winter, so, you know, be expecting all that. The 6-1 is staying here. I'm not getting rid of this car at all whatsoever. This car is gonna be like just a gem, staying for the channel and everything like that. It's gonna be here forever, you feel me? So that's just the real spill for everything that's going on, you feel me? So look, I hope y'all you know, enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the upload. I know I uploaded yesterday with the Woodward cruise, and now today is gonna be this video. So, yeah. I appreciate everybody who stopped by, watched the video. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the support that y'all leave, all the man. I don't know how many times I say it. I say it so much. But y'all know I appreciate it all, you know what I'm saying? But look, we'll catch y'all next video. So, peace.